Welcome to this video. I appreciate all your comments, and today I want to respond to this comment from Miss AD. She says, show me how to set a wallpaper on my laptop. There are several methods which you can use, but I'm going to show you the quickest method. Just come to your desktop here in the open space, right click, look for personalize. If you cannot see it, then you'll click on show more options. But as for me now, I'm seeing it here, so I click on it. It brings me here. Now here you look for the option of background. You can see it here. It is the first option. Click on it. Now here you'll find the most recently used images for the desktop wallpaper, but you can choose a photo. So if you have a different photo to use, you'll click on browse photos. Here you'll check the location where your photo is. For now, let me use pictures, and then I click on the picture which I want to use, then click choose picture. Yes, now you see here it gives you the preview of how the wallpaper looks like on the desktop. That is all. You see the wallpaper has changed. So that is the quickest way. If you can now change a wallpaper on your desktop or on your laptop, please like this video. But if you still have challenges, let me know in the comments. Have a good day.